She said,
There's a lot of ways I know how to make you feel better. Taking the Hobbs Compendium is not my preferred method.
Look, if you don't take a look, then I will.
Go, take it.
Don't come running to me if something terrible.
Leave.
I hate that spider and his can-do attitude.
I just want to know what's up that damn spout that's so important.
okay, tiny humans. Who wants to hold the talking stick and share their feelings?
God, what ring of hell have I entered?
Dr. Monkey Tricks feels sad because nobody believes.
Thanks for watching. Peace out.
Yes, and
it is hard to get things like that. And please subscribe to our channel.
Sorry, excuse me.
Hello? Dude, where are you?
I'm in my mini class with Jamie, trying not to burst into teethus.
You know they had that 5-minute golf swing lesson with Tiger guy in 20 minutes.
Marcus, I would love to get in with Tiger's program.
Thanks for watching.